Morning class. The topic for today is simple present tense, affirmative and negative. Okay, let's remember that we use the simple present to talk about regular activities and routines. Okay, we have here the affirmative and negative form, but we have to remember this. When we talk about I, you, we, and they, we are going to use a verb in the simple form, in the base form. In negative, we are going to use done and the verb. Then we have he, she, and it, and the verb is going to be modified. In this case, we are using like, but when we talk about he, she, and it, this like is going to change with an S. And in the negative, we are going to use doesn't like. Okay, but here we have some other important rules. For example, most of the verbs are add with S. For example, know, it's knows, live with S, lives, speak with S, speaks. For verbs ending in O, CH, SH, SS, X, and Z, we add ES. For example, go, goes, teach, teaches, finish, finishes. Okay? Then for verbs ending in Y, in this consonant Y, we have two rules. The first is that if we have a verb with Y and before there's a consonant, we are going to change this consonant into I and add ES. For example, fly, like it's a consonant, flies. Then we have cry, Y and a consonant, cries. The other case about Y is that if we have a vowel, we just have to add letter S, like buy, buys, enjoy. As you can see, Y and a vowel, just add letter S. Then we have play, plays. Okay, here we have a practice about the simple present, and we are going to remember what we have practiced before. Okay, here we have Silvana love sea lions. What you have to do is to write this verb in the simple present. Okay, what is the answer? Yes, the answer is loves, because I'm talking about Silvana, and Silvana is like she. And according to the rule, I have to add letter S. Okay, in number 2 we have I. In this case, I have the negative, not like octopus. What do you think is the answer?
Yeah.
Yes, the answer is don't like, because I'm talking about I and it's in the negative. I'm going to use don't and the same verb like. So the answer is I don't like octopus. Okay, let's go to number 3. Here we have he washed the car. What do you think is the answer? Yes, the answer is washes, because we are talking about he and the verb ends in S and H. So according to the rule, I have to add ES. So the answer is he washes the car. What about number 4? They, negative again, speak Italian. What is the answer? Okay, the answer is don't speak, because I'm talking about they, and the negative for they is don't and the same verb speak. Okay, so this exercise you have to copy on your notebook and solve. Okay, let's continue with the simple present in questions. Okay, here we have you, we, and they, and for these pronouns we are going to use do at the beginning of the question. Okay, and the answers, if it's affirmative, we are going to use yes according to the pronoun that we are going to use. It could be yes, I, we, or they do. If it's negative, no, I, we, or they don't. Then we have here he, she, and it. And the question for them is does. And if it's affirmative, we are going to use yes, he, she, it does. And in the negative, no, he, she, it doesn't. Okay? Here we have some examples about contractions, which is the reduced form for this. We have don't, which is the same like do plus not, and doesn't, which is does plus not. For example, here I have you go to the bank. So you have to complete this. You, it's here, you, so I have to complete with do. Do you go to the bank? The answer, it's affirmative. So yes, when you ask with you, your answer is going to be with I. Yes, I do. What about letter B? Here we have she. She is here. She, I have to complete with does. Does she work on Sunday? And the answer is negative. So no, she, and the negative of does, doesn't. Now copy this activity on your notebook and solve. Thank you very much. See you soon.